never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine. Yeah, everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed.
Your girl is looking crusty this morning. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be doing a different kind of video. So before I get into it, if you're new here, go ahead and click that subscribe button if you like what you see, and if you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So today we're gonna be doing a what I eat in a day. So a few days ago on the community tab, I asked you guys if you wanted to see a keto what I eat in a day, like a full day of keto eating, or if you guys wanted to see a come shop with me or a vlog. It was a tie. Last time I checked, it was a tie between the keto what I eat in a day and the come shop with me. So next week I will be doing the come shop with me. I'm gonna do the keto what I eat in a day today. If you guys don't know, I am on the keto diet. I've lost almost 40 pounds and I feel good. I look good, and I'm happy with it. I took a break when all of that was going on with my parents. I talked about that in the video already, so I'm not gonna go into details about that. And then I got back on it, and you guys saw a keto haul. I'll link that below. And I had a binge weekend. So coming back from a binge weekend, I need to fast. I do intermittent fast every day. If you guys don't know what that is where you, well, from my understanding of it, you fast for 16 hours and you have an eating period of 8 hours. So I've been doing that. When I first started out with keto, I was fasting different. I would do like 12-hour fast and then 24-hour fast every week. And for me, I'm gonna sit down because I feel like I'm shaking. For me, I felt like those were not really hard. They weren't hard at all, but because like once you've been on keto, your body kind of just, you're not really hungry as much as you are. And I know my lips probably look rough, but I had an allergic reaction last week and I have to put this on it to clear it up. It's clearing up. It has cleared up a lot, but I had an allergic reaction on my lips because y'all know I'm allergic to vinegar. But anyway, you're not really as hungry as you are, and you really only eat when you are hungry. So the fasting part is not really that hard as far as those went. And then like this one, I just feel like this one is a lot easier because majority of the time, like my eating period is from 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. which is like during the day. So I can, which is normally when I eat, like, you know, when I eat. So at 12 o'clock today, it is now 10:44, so I have about an hour and 15 minutes before I can eat, but I probably won't eat at 12 because I'm not really hungry right now. And if I do feel myself getting hungry, I would drink water. I'm going to show you guys the water that I drink, and I drink off of it all day because I do eat at 12 or after 12 o'clock up until 8. I don't eat like that whole period, but I'll eat like breakfast or lunch, whichever one I'm feeling, and then I'll eat dinner, and then I might snack in between, but that's pretty much it. I try to do 3 meals a day. I try. Like today, I'm gonna try to do 3 meals, but like I said, you really only eat when you're hungry, so I may not be able to do 3 meals. I don't know. Alright guys, so this is the water that I drink. This is just smart water. It is the 33.8 fluid ounces, which is 1 liter. And I know it's huge, like it's literally half of me, but I drink off of it all day to make sure that I get in my daily water intake that I'm supposed to. And being that you are on keto, you kind of have to make sure that you're getting your electrolytes in. So that's why I drink smart water, because smart water has electrolytes in it. I do drink regular water, like purified water as well, which you guys will probably see later on, probably around dinner time, because that's normally when I drink. Like I freeze them and then I put my drink mix in. It's so good. So I drink those around dinner time. And then you may see me drink a Powerade today, you may not.
Feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do.
It is a little after 1 now. I was trying to finish up some work. I finished editing my video. It's exporting now, so just want to show you guys how much of my water I actually ended up drinking so far. So a little bit more than half, well, a little bit less than half is what I've drunk. So I'm actually about to go eat because I'm hungry, and Tiosha's on keto diet with me too, so she's hungry. So I'm just gonna go ahead. So as you guys can see, I made an egg loaf, and it literally looks like cake and bread. Like, it looks so good. But we're gonna make French toast out of this. So I'm gonna do probably 2 each, and then we're probably gonna have some sausage on the side. So, and this is the Kerrygold butter. I probably shouldn't be doing this with my hand, but I do this all the time with my hand, guys. My hands are clean. But this is the Kerrygold butter, the salted one. I think after I run out of, because I only have 1 stick of this one left, I think I'm gonna go with unsalted, because this butter is so good, but it is so salty. So I think I'm gonna just kind of switch it up a little bit.
And I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win.
Alright, and then there we have it. You can add more butter if you want. I probably won't, since I cooked it in butter. And then add a little sausage patty here on the side. These are just the great value sausage patties. They're in the pack in the frozen section. I wanted Canadian bacon, but my daddy actually made these this morning, so I just got one of those. To me, I'm just going to be drinking the mixed berry Powerade, 0 sugar, 0 calorie Powerade. Really, really good. It has good flavor. Love this. I added this instead of the syrup. That was so good. I am back. I am actually back home. I just got back home. So I am going to try to eat a lunch. I'm a little hungry, but I'm not like super hungry. But like I told you guys earlier, I want to try to at least get in 3 meals a day. I'm hungry enough to where I could eat, but I'm not like hungry like I was this morning. Probably a sub, like a lettuce wrap, because I've been wanting one of those for the past week or so. I've been wanting one from Jimmy John's, and I've had everything here to make it. I just haven't made it. So I'm gonna make a chicken and bacon wrap, sub wrap. It is super delicious, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make that. The good thing about those subs is that it's a little after 3:30 right now, so almost 4 o'clock. So since it's almost 4 o'clock and my eating like window closes at 8, that means I need to eat dinner around 6 or 7. The latest I should probably eat dinner is about 7:30. I'll be hungry at about 7 or 7:30 eating the sub now, at least based off of where pass. So my drink with my lunch is going to be this Clear Frost lemon lime sparkling water. I love this because it has no aspartame, it has no caffeine, no sugar, like nothing is in this. There's 10 calories in this entire thing, but there's 3 servings, so like it literally takes me like a day and a half to drink a whole one of these. I can't find these anywhere near me. Mammy always gives me like a case of these in the lemon lime and then the kiwi strawberry, but they're so good. I'm going to be using provolone cheese and some rotisserie chicken. It's really, really good. The bacon is actually thawing out in the microwave, so yeah. So this is going to be the chicken, cheese. I only have these tomatoes and I need to use them up before they go bad, so I probably just cut like a couple of them in half and throw them on here. Cucumber, and then this is the lettuce that we're going to be using. I'm actually going to have lettuce on the outside because it's a lettuce wrap, and not put the lettuce on the inside. Then as far as condiments goes, we have some mustard, mayo. My house we normally eat Miracle Whip, but since I'm on keto, I've been eating mayo, and this mayo is pretty decent. It doesn't have any carbs or any sugars in it, but it does have soybean oil. It doesn't bother me. This sub sauce, it is the original submarine dressing. It is so freaking good. This is like good on every single sandwich. Like, it has no added sugar or like total sugars.
love, I want the real stuff. Everybody listen up, cause I'll only say it once. I'm gonna show you all the path. If you want it bad, I'm gonna show you where it's at. Yeah, how you can get it back. Yeah, cause I ain't never done. I'll be number one, working hella hard until I get just what I want. Yeah, rises like the sun, yeah, fatal like a gun. Shooter's gonna shoot and I'm gonna shoot until I won. Yeah, always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Yeah, I put out all this art, it's my only medicine, yeah.
Alright guys, so I am back home now and I finally finished my border. It's a little after 7 now. Oh, where's my earring? Oh no. Oh, you mean to tell me this whole time my earring been here? I mean, I've been everywhere. I just, oh god. No wonder people was looking at me upside my head funny. It's 7:21 and it is dinner time. For dinner, we are having cauliflower rice and cooked in Kerrygold butter, which is so good, and hash and some green beans. So that's what me and Tio are eating. My mom and dad is eating rice and hash. My honey barbecue sauce from GU's, the sugar free, is really good, so might put a little bit of that over it. And then for a drink, I'm just drinking some water. It's frozen. I put it in the freezer, and I'm just gonna put, don't fall on that. I'm just gonna put one of these Crush drink mix in it. These things are so good. This is the blue one. But last night I made a keto dessert from that keto lady on Instagram, and she's on YouTube now. I actually followed her YouTube recipe for her cookie cheesecake, which looks so good. I ate some of it last night, just a little bit, just to taste it. And all I really did was I followed her recipe. The only different thing that I did was I added chocolate to my cookies. So I had like chocolate peanut butter cookies, and came out really good. So I'm about to eat that. It's pretty much what I eat in a day, a full day of keto eating. I will insert my macros here, but I think I did pretty good. Alright, so I mean every day is different, but I went over my fat intake. Of course, I was under on protein and under on calories, because I'm always under those two. Like, I never can reach that number. And I'm under net carbs. I only did 18 net carbs today instead of 19. I say 20, but for some reason it calculates 19 all the time, so I only did 18, so did pretty good as far as that goes. That's pretty much what I eat in a day. Let me know if you guys want to see another keto full day of eating. If you do, be sure to let me know in the comments below. And yeah, this lighting is horrible, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Turn on your notifications so you'll be notified every single time I upload. And yeah, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Everything I do, I'm just being genuine. Yeah, I'm sick of being screwed, feel my own adrenaline. Yeah, I do just what I do, and I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable.